let it go. Big old dirty Battyman a act like Battyman. Whoring girl behave like whoring girl. Drunk girl behave like drunk girl. Batty boy behave like batty boy. I saw you go. You weak, jelly back. Oh, thank you. Just when just feel it, just say. What you feel it, just say. She said, I did that. And with the bomber clot, somebody continue to send the blood clot request for. All of the Jamaican girl good for mind Battyman nowadays. Una drunk. That's why the man them not rate on a boy. What me could feel like so they can't have no blood clot husband and them thing they suck good girl. Idiot girl, let me tell you why you can't have no man. You put up with all of you look up batty blood clot business. I you kill his friend them. That's why no man now go take whoring uno serious. You see like how uno blood clot get up every blood clot there. But Roger this, Roger Battyman. Every day of my life, me can get up and tell us a Roger Battyman. Them boy, they are fleas. Them boy, they are ticks. Them boy, they are drunk. You understand me? So one time me, they in my comfort zone. See junker like them there. What the bumbo clot you feel like? You think so the man them pan blood clot TikTok a idiot? The whole of them see the Battyman them. Girl dog, Bruce Lee, Roger, all Battyman heart. The whole of them rate none of them no man. Whole of them jellyback. And the whole of them big pussy girl just get up every day. I accept you. You see me? He always like I showed you body no father. This morning, I go out and grab it. I tell her. I'm tell us about $200 for this, my father. Cool life, I live. Oh, remember my birthday much, you know, yo. This Saturday where I come, not that Saturday, other Saturday. And my birthday much, because my birthday is next week, Saturday. You see, pray. Yeah, that. You understand me? Mother mean out and cold, you see, pray. You understand? I know, say me I go up on blood clot, you go beat them. I need to wait till me reach home and grab my book, dada. Me need to grab my book, father. Yeah, I need to grab my book, and then when time I grab my book, I'm going to come back over here. Cause I need to put couple. Yes, Gage! Me want to ask you a question. Yeah, what now? What are you now? For real, tell him happy birthday for me. Where you supposed to be now, Gage? Cause you play games with Battyman, you group up with Battyman, you all like Battyman them Christian now. Who are you? Who are you now, Gage? Box happy birthday, Chudes. Who is you right now, pussy hole? A cocky ass suck to my friend? Because you all of your friend them when you play a match with a daytime and hood them a suck, you know, so you suck good too. Gage is a disappointment. He's a disgrace to dance hall. You're the worst thing, bad man. You coming like one of them look a sissy girl there. Every day you don't know Battyman when you see them. Oh, you get so friendly with Battyman. Oh, you get so friendly with Battyman, me general. Me. No Battyman when me see them. No boy enough to tell me say I'm a Battyman. When me see Battyman clear as blood clot there. No jellyback boy can tell me same straight. Them the bumbo clot boy there. Remember in a Roger. As somebody come in my inbox and tell me say, you if you can tell the world. No camper down you used to go. Can tell the people them how you used to take cocky down there. Tell them how them used to beat you, Roger. Roger, every day you come and hide a look of batty life. You and a pink wall on the need for go know who Roger is, me general. Roger a Battyman from him a got a camper down, me general. A fuck in a taxi. A suck hood in a taxi. So you come now and I can tell them people about you straight. Oh, you straight. Oh, you blood clot straight when you a fuck man from your school. Move your stinking suck with blood clot and go from your Roger. You can't hunger fool them people here where make you buy your man them bike. Hunger them alone. You can't blood clot fool. But you need to come tell them say from you got camper down here suck with like dog. Come tell the people, man. Say you used to blood class so good for school drive. For go school a morning time. Remember say you used to wait no brief day. Remember no brief day for your Battyman I got camp. Remember my father. People know you your body life for a long time, you know. And the little idiot, big sting pussy little girl where you have there. Go clean up your little girl hole and release her. And move your Battyman blood. Remember, no, Roger, you take it fuck them and not even like a you give fuck them, you know. Man, I fuck you long time. However, pink wall we go here, boy. Anybody with talk about you, me just inbox them and them reason about you. You're so good for school days. No, you am Bruce Lee, you am Girl Dog, and the whole of them. Who do just come with the big Battyman organization? I suck off on one another cocky, dung in one another ears like Q-tip. Una Battyman explorers, Dora the Explorer, Dora the Explorer. Swipe and no swipe it, the whole out now swipe on one another cocky. Suck off balls, lick out Batty wall. Battyman is the new thing I had now. But every day me hear some people still about sodomite. Who never like me more than the Battyman them, cause a pussy me a end ass. Make it dog them tell you, make bomb clock Weezy tell you. You see me? Why all of my friend them a blood clot man? You see any girl me a fuck my friend them a go fuck your friend them. Oh, up to you. Me never done with no girl with no blood clot friend with head strong yet. All of them friend them are always some crowbait and jankro. Says I talking to you. No up to you. When me a fuck you, my friend I go fuck your friend them. Tell them no man see. Yeah, Weezy my dog, but no know he's sitting already, man. I want you regular Weezy of boy girl in a couch. I fuck that and then send him home with the wet old dirty pussy we have under him there. You see, Pre? I saw we deal with ore. From your blood clot of ore, we deal with you like the junker where you be. Talk the brawling, the little father, man. Yeah, my friend. You see? So one time me a talk about blood clot Batty boy. One time Bruce Lee, Roger, Girl Dog, and the whole of them link up. Who fuck who? Cause you not no blood clot friend for people fuck. So me know it out you threesome. Who not lick off one another cock like a dog. And a suck balls like a dog to bumbo clot. Oh, woman take uno serious. We do no cocky mouth and uno balls breath. All a bumbo clot uno a Battyman. If me a one straight girl, I me see my man in a one blood clot Battyman company, me no need him no more. Go and go suck your friend them hood. Just like them orange girl are Weezy. When you see them in a party, make them friend them and rub them down and a dagger them like dog. After the party, they left, but near out they one another pussy like the dogs that they are, my G. People nowadays are drunk, you know. People nowadays are drunk, so that's that drunk go do. So you see, through the drunk when you blood clot, Roger know say the girl them walk on and fuck off the one another name each other pussy and call the one another best friend. Him just cuff one of them and say, you know what, I'm to the Batty boy, man, some pussy class. Cuff the little girl and say, you know, me can't use her, I hide my Batty life. Me see you out wine the local girl. The amount of hood where you been a wine pan from your local boy. You out wine the local girl. So the local girl have to stop you. Oh, a bitch. I go a wine and you out wine your bitch. Cause he's a bigger bitch. Cause he's a bigger whore. Me know so what you did a wine a right pan girl dog who you did one go. Because you know him no fuck Batty again. Well, if you fuck Batty, you fuck Batty. Me know you can resurrect back blood clot girl dog cock and put in a for your hole. It will allow no coming like the same kind of jankers. Me no know how girl pitney take on serious. I must say money they no blood clot have. Them your girl is so worried nowadays them fuck any blood clot body that's all the other husband. I swear to God. Who don't have nothing because all who not clear about them Battyman and who kill his friend them want fuck on and suck on. You see me bumbo clot, you know see man a Battyman. Big Battyman. Which man you see go on so? What are the man there? Oh! Pew! Oh my God! Serenity! Serenity! Oh! Weezy! Pew! Weezy! Pew! Weezy! Yeah, Batty boy! Jelly back! May I tell you that straight, bad man? Me a the G. And I'm here to tell you that. Me a real G. No boy can batty up my space. All of my friend them straight. Tyrone straight. Weezy straight. Z straight. All of my bomber clap bridging them. Jolly bomber clap back on be. I wanna endorse them Battyman ya. Una last. Una buy Battyman bike fi go get other Battyman. Una fool. The whole I wanna say una send them money here yet. I wanna never seen do nothing lavish for the blood clot girl. What the girl there? Why never buy a girl while you car? Why never buy a girl while you bicycle? Why never buy a girl while you scooter? Eh? But you have to go ride off manhood because you go fuck pan and two bike there, you know. Boom it off. Boom it off. Boom it off. Me never see two man does. A man get up and buy two man bike. Cause you a Battyman, brother. You know what me and Weezy buy with one another? Liquor, my friend. Certain things too. Jay, my baby. Them the thing that too personal. You see when me and Ty then link up, my brother them. We know. And I like say, Ray, me nah fuck Ty. Me nah fuck Weezy. I'm a bumbo clot brother them. You see me I say, me nah need for go out of my blood clot way and put them in front of me girl. Me nah fuck them. My girl give me some heads. Suck me off brawling, big house. Eh? Thank you, baby. You see me? Brawling. Hot. But when I bomb clot Battyman and I use blood clot TikTok for come out of a blood clot closet, you know. When stop people out. When I show out on yourself, you out. A bad we bad. No girl. Well, me see I take on a serious. All me look for on all on dirty girl on the whole stink. Every girl want fuck one of them Battyman here on have a stinkiest hole per land. That's why I have to pick up the most whore them, the biggest dog them, the junk and the crowbait them. Because of them, they alone. You can't see. Who? Which woman would take you up, Roger? Yeah, it look like you want to wash. You still a share bathroom. Say you buy man bike. And you know, say you still a share toilet. Eh? With 1 yard of people to pussy hole. when me look to Bumbuckler, you share shower, you share face base, you share toilet. But yet, you take up money. How much million? Go buy bike, give man where you suck them hood and them a fuck you. You know, say you want careless, workless Battyman. Tenement yard waste of a bumbuckler space. You know, say he's a fucking idiot. Me can't share shower curtain. And a blood clot buy man bike. Eh? Me can live in a one bumbuckler matches box. Park one car outside of the worst looking establishment. You know, say you don't have nothing to go on for you, my friend. Workless, you workless, my friend. Where me I put my head, I feel nicer than where me I drive. Remember that bumbuckler at this name ambition. When you can lie down nice. When you have a sheer bumbuckler toilet. When you have a sheer bumbuckler shower curtain and toothbrush and rag. Oh, you know, workless, dirty people, you know, be man. I don't workless. Big stinker workless. Because your man then did mean more to you than a proper place for sleep. You could have used a same money to go grab piece of land. But you don't want to do that. You're a Battyman, so you rather make your man them feel good. Where your bitch there. You not even do that for your whore. Where you claim to say I fuck you. No. You show too much empathy for man when I fuck you. And no empathy for the girl where I fuck you. You know, sister, a man you want. Be a man. Egg dogs, me, Chris, go suck out your mother and go mind for your picnic them. Your baby mother hate you in a bumbuckler. Chris, a man still a fuck. Pussy old member say you suck good for the child support money. Big pussy, Chris, you don't know, say enough you talk to me, batty boy. No boy will share him hood with girl and man can raise with me, Chris. Chris, go suck your mother, Chris. You come over yourself, you come defend your Battyman friend them. Go and go steam off in your man, Chris. Chris, your mouth full of discharge, brother.